I'm making spring salad, which is just like it says on the tin. It's got asparagus, French bean, broad beans, chili. This is just the kind of salad you can get in the Ottolenghi delis. The recipe is in plenty more, and it's really easy to make. Slicing the asparagus, and you want to do it on an angle, so it's quite like sharp spears. This goes into the boiling water for about 2 minutes. Take straight into ice water. So you want the asparagus to stop cooking so it stays nice and crunchy. Next is the French beans, straight in the same boiling water for about 5 minutes. And straight into the ice water. And these broad beans are going in next. Those should take about 2 minutes. And then I'm just going to remove the skin. My favorite job is shelling the broad beans. Just gonna slice it really thinly, and you can also use a mandolin. I'm just toasting some sesame seeds, and now they're nice and fragrant. So now it's just a case of putting everything together. My asparagus and beans, the broad beans, the spinach, just as it is, shallot, and I've got my chopped chili, sesame oil, lemon juice, I toasted sesame seeds and some nigella seeds, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, always, and then just gently mixing everything together. I just love how all these shades of green really come together on the plate.